Hi everyone, my name is Levi, and this is my first discussion-based video here on YouTube. Today, I'm going to be talking about my Hofner 500/1 contemporary bass, which just got a German control panel installed, as you can see here. It's nice, shiny, and brand new. Anyway, I'm going to demo it for you, tell you was it worth it to make the swap. So let's jump right into it. Here's the bass. I did some pretty basic mods to it. Here, I got rid of the lettering. Put on some labella flat wound strings. And then now, we have this brand new panel installed. I'm running my sound through my Focusrite 18i20, and that's going to go directly into Logic on my Mac. What an amazing difference. That was recorded with zero effects whatsoever. It goes directly into Logic Pro X, and just this panel alone made the bass so much more punchy, more articulate, and so much closer to the original recording than with the Chinese panel. I mean, the other one sounded just muffled, and I always listened to other people playing their basses, and I was like, I want my bass to sound like that. And you know what? It didn't take a hollow body bass, and didn't take anything like that. All it took was a German panel. Who knew? Now I'm going to play some more bass lines, so you can just hear the tone that you can get out of this new panel. All My Loving is a true favorite of mine, and I think that this bass, especially with the new panel, really does its justice. I'm going to leave you all with one more, and then I'll call it a day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope to do more videos very similar to this. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I've got a Vox Mini Super Beetle bass amp over here that I'm waiting to review. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, and I'll keep putting out those Beatles covers. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.